Have you ever noticed how some people pull away exactly when they need love the most? It feels confusing, even hurtful, but there's a real psychology behind it. When someone feels overwhelmed or emotionally fragile, the brain shifts into protection mode. Instead of reaching out, they distance themselves because letting people in feels risky. They worry about being a burden, being misunderstood, or being judged for emotions they've never learned how to express. Many people grow up believing they must handle everything alone, so asking for help feels like weakness. Others fear rejection so deeply that they choose to reject themselves first, before anyone else has the chance to. So when someone suddenly becomes distant, it isn't always about you. Sometimes their fear is simply speaking louder than their heart, and the truth is, the people who push you away the hardest are often the ones who wish someone would hold on the longest. If you want more psychology insights like this, make sure to follow and stay connected.